Visual, fast montage, glowing brains, neural implants, robotic arms responding to thoughts. Narrator, what if you could type without moving your fingers? What if you could control a computer with pure thought? What if technology could unlock abilities you've never had before? This isn't science fiction anymore. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are here now. And they're about to change everything. Hook, 020 to 040, visual, close-up of brain signals transforming into digital waves. Narrator. Right now, people are restoring movement, speaking again, accessing computers, and even controlling machines, using only their minds. In today's video, we're diving into how BCIs work, the breakthroughs happening today, and what this means for the future of humanity. Section 1. What exactly is a BCI? 040 to 130. Visual, animated brain with electrodes and wireless chips. Narrator, a brain-computer interface is a device that reads brain signals and translates them into digital commands. Your brain creates tiny electrical pulses every time you think, move, imagine, or decide something. BCIs capture those pulses, using sensors, implants, or even non-invasive headsets, and convert them into instructions that computers understand. Imagine your thoughts becoming software commands, instantly. Section 2. Real breakthroughs happening today, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. Visual, real case studies, robotic limbs, patients controlling cursors. Narrator, here's where things get incredible. Small diamond paralyzed patients are moving robotic arms with their thoughts. Small diamond people who lost the ability to speak are communicating again through neural decoding. Small diamond blind individuals are seeing shapes and flashes of light through visual implants. Small diamond neural headsets are letting users type, select, and interact with devices hands-free. These are real, verified breakthroughs happening right now in labs and hospitals around the world. BCIs started as medical tools, but they're quickly moving into mainstream tech. Section 3. How BCIs unlock your brain, 3 o'clock to 4:20. Visual, thought-to-text animations, high-speed digital interfaces. Narrator, the mind is capable of sending thousands of signals every second. With a powerful BCI, those signals can be interpreted into small diamond motion, small diamond speech, small diamond emotion detection, small diamond cognitive intent, small diamond memory recall, small diamond and even imagination. Picture this. You think about moving your hand, the BCI reads that signal, and a robotic hand moves instantly. That's mind-powered technology. Section 4. What this means for the future, 4:20 to 5:40. Visual, futuristic UI, humans interacting with digital overlays, augmented cognition. Narrator, the next decade could bring some of the most revolutionary changes in human history. Brain-enhanced memory, brain digital telepathy, brain-mind controlled devices, brain-smarter prosthetics, brain hands-free computers and gaming, brain direct communication between brains and AI assistants. Imagine writing an email, just by thinking the words. Or controlling your home, without lifting a finger. Your brain becomes the remote. Your thoughts become the interface. Section 5. The big questions, 5:40 to 6:40. Visual, dark lighting, ethical dilemma graphics. Narrator, of course, powerful technologies raise powerful questions. Who owns your brain data? Should we connect our minds to AI? How far should enhancement be allowed? Could BCIs create a new class of superhumans? These are debates we must have, now, before BCIs scale into everyday life. Conclusion, 6:40 to 7:10. Visual, brain glowing brighter, interface pulsing. Narrator, whether you're excited or terrified, one thing is certain. BCIs are coming faster than anyone expected. Your brain is the most advanced machine nature has ever created. And for the first time in history, technology is learning to speak its language. The real question is, are you ready to unlock your mind? Narrator, if you found this fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you use a brain-computer interface?